Gusto mo rin bang mag-work from home pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula at kung paanong gagawin? Like and save this video. We have here a comment from one of our Wonder VAs from Gray at ang sabi niya ay gusto ko na din mag-resign at mag-work from home na lang. Thank you so much for your comment, Gray, at yan din ang lagi kong sinasabi noon, nung di pa ako nag-work from home. Disclaimer lang, wag na wag po kayong magre-resign ng walang backup plan at agad-agad na iwanan yung current work mo ngayon hanggat wala ka pang planning na nagagawa, preparation para maging virtual assistant, dahil hindi naman po ganun-ganun lang maging isang VA. Of course, we have to do preparation, we have to do all the planning, lahat ng paghahanda para maging ready ka sa VA journey mo. That's why we have free webinars brought to you by Vein Philippines. This is for free, wala kang babayaran, of course, libre, at magkakaroon ka pa ng libreng certificate. Yung free webinar po na to ay ginaganap every week, every Friday, or every Saturday. Depende po sa schedule at depende sa topic. Kaya kung gusto mong maging updated, like mo si Vein Philippines, i-follow nyo po kami at lagi namin pinopost yung schedule at kung paanong mag-sign up. So this free webinar will